Video title: What is AGI? Explained simply: Artificial General Intelligence for Beginners. Imagine an AI that can do anything a human can think, learn, solve problems, even understand emotions. That's called AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Today, we mostly use narrow AI. It does one task, like answering questions or recognizing faces. AGI is much bigger. It can handle any intellectual task a human can, across many fields: science, language, art, and more. Narrow AI is like a calculator, great at one thing. AGI would be like combining a doctor, teacher, and engineer into one powerful mind. It learns, adapts, and reasons like us. AGI could help cure diseases, teach at scale, manage cities, and solve global problems. It could change how we live, work, and even think. But AGI also comes with danger. If uncontrolled, it could replace jobs, be misused, or make decisions beyond our control. That's why safety, ethics, and human values are key. AGI isn't just science fiction, it's a real possibility. Whether it comes in 10 years or 50, we must be ready. Stay informed, stay curious, because AGI could shape the future of humanity.